Hi, this is Rob. I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Nokia 3310 2017 2G cell phone. I also have another video on how to lock the keypad on the Nokia 3310 and unlock it by using a PIN passcode or not using a PIN passcode. I'll put a link in the description below. Okay, to change the language, go to the main menu by pressing the center button. Go down to the settings icon. Here's the settings icon. Go down to phone settings. I'm using the Nokia 3310 2017 2G version. If you have the 3G version, it will not say phone settings. It will say time and language settings. I'm going to go into the phone settings. Then on top will be phone language, and to the right you will see the current language setting. I'm currently using English. Go into phone language, then choose the language you want to use. There are 7 different languages I can choose from. On top you see automatic. When automatic is selected, the phone selects the language according to the information on the SIM card. This setting also determines which characters are available when you write text, for example a name or text message. The other choices I have include English, Italian, Portuguese, Spanish, French, German, and Romanian. However, depending where in the world you bought your phone, you may have different language choices, such as Polish or Russian languages. I'm going to choose English. Okay, done. I will go back. Okay, that is how to change the language on the Nokia 3310 2017 2G version cell phone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel.